Today we are making 1-hour bread and cinnamon rolls. I'm not a baker, so if I can do it, you can too. Hi, I'm Birdie. Welcome to my channel. Here I'm adding half of the flour and salt mixture to the water, yeast, honey, and oil mixture. Mix well, and then add the remaining flour mixture. Mix until the dough pulls away from the sides of the bowl. You don't need a stand mixer or even special dough beaters seen here. You can use a spoon until the dough is workable, and then your hands to knead the dough until it's smooth. So how are you getting a handle on inflation and these higher prices at the grocery store? Let me know in the comments, and we can help each other by sharing. Someone may benefit from your tip, and sometimes it's just so nice to know we're not alone in this. Today I'm cooking from scratch, and you may be thinking that's too difficult, or I don't have time for that. You could also say it's only taking an hour and I can get dinner ready at the same time. I'll have a loaf of bread and a treat. Have you seen what a batch of cinnamon rolls goes for at the store lately? And these are bakery worthy in my opinion. Warmed, topped with butter, or a simple icing made with powdered sugar and milk, or plain with your coffee or tea. I think it's like anything else in life. If you want to be successful, you're going to have to put in some work by learning a new skill, searching out information, or developing new habits that can help you meet your goals. It can be fun and satisfying, an accomplishment. After your dough pulls away from the sides of your bowl, transfer it to an oiled bowl, cover with a clean tea towel, and set it in a warm place to rise for 30 minutes. In the meantime, prepare your loaf pan and an 8x8 baking dish for your cinnamon rolls. You can choose to make 2 loaves of bread, but the cinnamon rolls always win around here. Also, gather softened butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Once your dough is risen, turn it out into a clean, floured work surface. Knead it a few times and cut it in half. Form a loaf of bread for your loaf pan and pat the remaining dough into a rectangle. Slather this dough with butter, sprinkle with brown sugar, then cinnamon. Roll it up. There are definitely perks to making things from scratch. If your goal is to save as much money as possible, you can buy your ingredients when they're on sale. I noticed baking supplies like flour, butter, and chocolate chips go on sale around the holiday baking seasons. Bring your flour home, freeze it, let it come to room temperature, and then store it in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Butter can be frozen. Thaw it when you're ready to use it. Check Best By dates before you buy to get the most shelf life out of your ingredients. Also, you control the ingredients. If you prefer organic flour, you can choose that. An organic loaf of bread from the bakery is more than $6 at our grocery stores. Cut it into 9 slices and place them in your 8x8 baking dish. Bake at 350 degrees. It'll take about 15 to 20 minutes for the cinnamon rolls and 20 to 30 minutes for your loaf of bread. When your loaf looks nicely browned and sounds hollow when you tap on it, it's done. We're topping our homemade bread with butter and apple butter. Your favorite jam would be yummy. It's even delicious plain. Come back and visit me for my Surviving the Week series, a realistic take on how to feed a family of 4 for right around $100. Grocery hauls, meal prep, recipes, and money-saving tips.